Nothing but snow today. 2 days now. Ever since Friday night, 2 a.m. Snow, snow, snow. We got my pool's even frozen. Right now it's about 30 degrees out. I have no hat or gloves on. And I'm gonna try starting on my equipment today. Look, we have like 24 inches of snow. I think we beat your days today. It's so deep that it's really hard to get through. I'm gonna see if I can get my tractor to manage through it. So, see if my Craftsman's worthy of starting up today. And the Craftsman weed whacker, which I extremely doubt will start. But let's try starting this one up. The sensors are broken, so no, not broke, bad. So I have to do this now. George can't get through. That sucks. That extremely sucks. I should have got thicker boots. Yeah, thicker boots. Thicker tires with better tread. Got them. No, I fixed the front, which was extremely bent. The rod that I don't know what the hell it's called, but still, I can fix the rod. It makes it straight. So I guess I'll start them up in here because I can't get them to move. I can't go anywhere, there's so much fucking snow. So, lawnmower over my little tripod today. So, you see that? It's more doing stuff smaller today. So I gotta make sure they work. I gotta see if they work for the years to come. I have no extra cash. We're out. That's over. Alright, let's see the start. Get an extra spray. Alright, again. Shut. Alright, try again. It's not working. Another one. Alright, try again. Nope. Transfer not working today. Only reworker I got now. Where is it? Behind here. Only reworker I got to run. Or see if I'll start now. Which always starts is this. My feather light, which always starts in the winter. This always starts. My little buddy. Take it out. Gas going. Choke, go on. Probably a couple more times. Wants to. Yeah, it started. Took a couple pulls, but it started. I like to do that because then it looks nice. Well, that was somewhat of a slow start. Oh, update on the snapper.
Did you see my glasses?
No! Update on the snapper. It does not run. It is going to the junkyard. My friend will be picking it up, and it'll be gone. Thank God. And I might be getting another tractor, so I might make an update on that. So, that's all I got today. Sorry, ain't much, but still. There you go. Cold starts. Some work and some don't. This has a carb issue, but I'll have to get that fixed. This is probably up for sale. It does not run. It will run, but after it warms up, it shuts off, and you have to wait till it gets cold again for it to run again, which was a big pain in the ass. I'm suspecting it's either the carburetor or the choke. I tried choke cleaner / carburetor cleaner, but it did not work. But that's all I got, and that's about it. So back. That's all. See you next time, YouTube.